Right, so we're Rob and Dom, and we're going to be racing trains along a straight track to the end where Skiff's buffer is, and we're going to be timing it with this tablet here. So let's get started by recording the track.
Okay.
Alright, so here's the track.
Go all the way along.
It goes all the way along up to Skiff's buffer right here.
Okay, let's see the trains then.
So, train 1, Speed and Spark Thomas. Train 2, Aeroplane Thomas. Train 3, Happy Thomas. Train 4, Armored Thomas. Train 5, Seaside Thomas. Train 6, Jungle Thomas. Train 7, Turbo Jungle Thomas. Train 8, Muddy Farm Thomas.
Okay. And show us the carriages.
Carriage 1, Tanker Truck. Carriage 2, Mail Car. Carriage 3, Santa Claus Truck. Carriage 5, Beppe.
That was 4.
4. Carriage 5, Annie. Carriage 6, Clarabelle. Carriage
7.
7, Ace in a Troublesome Truck.
Very good.
And finally, carriage 8, Clarabelle. Again, but classic Clarabelle.
Okay.
So the first train is Super Station Thomas. So
Okay.
let's get the timer up and let's get going.
Okay, I've got the timer ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Go in.
And stop.
9.89 seconds.
And he even fell over. Good job. Alright, so here we have Airplane Thomas.
Okay.
And 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh. You made it.
You almost there. You almost there. Stop.
12.38 seconds.
Alright, so here we have Happy Thomas. 3, 2, 1, go.
Seems slow.
I don't think he's even going to make it up.
Oh, is he going to do it? Oh, just. But yeah, I think he's going to be the slowest by far. Still, oh, he can't do it.
Go. Wait, let's go give him a little push. Come on, go. He's doing.
A little more push. He's definitely the slowest by a long way.
Keep going.
Done. 33.3 seconds. Whoops. Very slow. Okay.
Okay, here we have Armored Thomas. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my word. I don't think he's even going to make it. Oh, he's speeding up a bit. I'll be surprised if he can get up the hill.
Oh! He's already stopped. Keep going. I gave him a little push. Come on, keep going. Keep going. I might have to keep giving him that nudge. Come on.
Unless he makes it soon, he's going to be the slowest. Oh, he's still going now. Nearly at 40 seconds.
Come on. Go.
40 seconds gone.
Go. Go. He's almost there. Go.
Done?
Yeah, he's done.
49.64 seconds. Last place.
Right. So here's Seaside Thomas. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, wow. He's not even going to go at all.
He's going. He's going very slow. Like, you have to give him very large pushes to get him to continue going. Should we say...
It's up to you. He's definitely going to be the slowest. It's up to you if you want to keep going.
Should we say he's not going to make it? Come on, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. It's not even moving, I need to... Come on, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. He's actually not even moving. Like that. Finished.
52.12 seconds. Last place.
I literally had to push him to the finish line.
Yep.
Okay, so here we have Jungle Thomas. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, he's fast.
Oh, he's fast. And he's made it up the hill. He's doing really well. Stop.
Hit the buffer, stop.
12.18 seconds. Oh, it puts him just in second place.
Alright, here's Turbo Speed Jungle Thomas. 3, 2, 1, go.
He's got a chance to be the winner here, I reckon. No, he slowed up on the hill. Oh, 10.87 seconds. I think that puts him in second place.
So here's Muddy Farm Thomas. 3, 2, 1, go.
He's going good.
It looks like he struggled up the hill, but he's okay. And he made it to the
Stop.
end.
11.8 seconds, which will work out, might put him in third. Work it out.
Here we have Superstation Thomas, Turbo Speed Jungle Thomas, and Muddy Farm Thomas, and finally Jungle Thomas.
So these were the top four, and now they're going to race for the semi-final, yeah?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go. Who's racing, Rob?
Okay, so here we have Jungle Thomas. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, he's made it. And stop. And whoa, look at that. They all fell off. But he made it in 11.27 seconds.
Here we have Muddy Farm Thomas. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, the carriage, but we're gonna have to keep going.
It's hard for him to pull the carriage off. But he's going to make it.
He's gonna make it.
Stop. 14.08 seconds. Definitely in second place.
Here we have Turbo Speed Jungle Thomas. 3, 2, 1, go!
He is Turbo. Is he going to be in the lead or not? And stop. 10.32 seconds. He's in the lead. Okay, this is the last semi-final. Who is it?
Here we have Superstation Thomas. 3, 2, 1, go!
He was the fastest last time, I think. Is he going to be the fastest this time? Stop. Wow, 8.75 seconds. Fastest race so far out of all of them. Go.
So here we have Turbo Speed Jungle Thomas and Superstation Thomas.
And these are our two finalists. Ready to race them?
Yeah!
Who is it first?
He is Turbo Speed Jungle Thomas. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. He's fast.
Oh, he struggled to get up. Oh, his front wheel has come off.
But he might still make it.
He did. 11.95 seconds. Okay.
So, this is the last finalist, and it is Superstation Thomas. 3, 2, 1, go.
He's been the fastest in every round. Is he going to be the fastest in the final? Stop. 9.45 seconds. He is the overall champion.
Yay! Alright, so we have a winner. It is Superstation Thomas. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, and the notification bell. Bye!
Bye.
So, I'm going to throw Skiff along the track and make him do a roll. And he's going to land it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
Let's try 0.
Whoa!
3, 2, 1, go!
Whoops.
2, 1, go.
Whoops.
Hey!
He landed. Woo!
Yeah.